Please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is TSM from Vicky Tech. Hi guys, I hope you are all good and doing great. Here is the Samsung Galaxy M21 mobile phone. I have been using this mobile phone from the past few days onwards, whereas the last time I had just do the unboxing in our channel. So right now I was testing the gaming department. So this comes with processor Exynos 9611. It's built with 10 nanometer architecture, whereas this phone is designed for daily usage. It's not for gaming phone. And also the processor here is not powerful processor, so usually it's good for daily usage like WhatsApp calling and some kind of applications, some kind of games which was not heavy, it can perform. But I have testing this mobile phone very depth in terms of gaming department. I have played the gamings like PUBG and ASPHALT and continues to 2 hours. After seeing the results, I have surprised myself. I couldn't even believe my eyes, because the first 1 hour I have played the PUBG and the remaining 1 hour I played the ASPHALT 9. You know that both these games was heavy games and which was very burden to the CPU. Whereas in PUBG most of the people use the graphic settings like smooth and extreme, but in my case in this M21 I have selected the graphics HD and high performance, which was very extra burden for the CPU. So I want to test how this processor will survive when we playing the games, or even if you're doing heavy tasks like the PUBG and Asphalt 9. But after seeing the results, I was surprised, because the thermal management in this mobile phone was seriously very excellent, and also the battery consumption was also very good, because it is after playing the 2 hours also it does not consume the battery much more, where I put the brightness level to off of the brightness and I keep playing the game. And also we need to remember one thing: while I playing the games I connected my Bluetooth headphones by turning on the Bluetooth. And also if you turn on the Bluetooth, this phone comes with Dolby Atmos, which means you can enhance the sound. I mean the sound quality was very good when you enable that option. But keep in mind, if you want to turn on the Dolby Atmos, you must and should need to connect the wired earphones or even the wireless earphones. So hence I have the synthesizer Bluetooth headphones, so I have turned on the Bluetooth and I connected and I play the game to continues 2 hours. But turning on the Bluetooth along with the Wi-Fi and also turning on the Dolby Atmos. So guys, keep in mind the thermal management was seriously fantastic job. After at the initial stage the room temperature was 32 degrees centigrade. After 2 hours the room temperature was gradually increases from 32 to 33 degrees centigrade. But whereas initially the temperature of this mobile was around 31, 32, 33 like that, mostly 32. But after playing the game after 2 hours the temperature was hits around 39, 38, 40. But keep in mind the temperature never crossed more than 41 or 40, because the processor here is built with 10 nanometer architectures, which is good for heat management, and also the battery also consumes very less. So guys, here is the 2 hours footage file. So if I added the 2 hours footage file, you guys can confuse. So I was going to edit the file and you guys can check out the results right now. But keep in mind, while I was testing this mobile phone, I never used the air conditioner. I just used the ceiling fan in the room temperature only. I have tested this mobile phone, so you guys can check out the results right now. So let's check the room temperature. So right now the room temperature is around 32 degrees centigrade. So I was going to test the room temperature at the top of the screen, front side. So it should be like 33 at the upper side of the screen, and at the middle of the screen we have seen the temperature is around 32 degrees centigrade, and also at the bottom side we have seen the temperature is around 33. Whereas at the upper side and as well as the bottom side we see the temperature was equal 33, but in middle we have seen that 32. On the backhand side, I mean back side of the mobile, we have seen the temperature is around 33 degrees centigrade. Again at the middle of the back side it looks like 33 degrees centigrade only. So that's it guys. In playing the PUBG game, so let's check the temperature at the top side of the screen. Now the temperature reaches around 38 at the speaker side at the top of the screen, 37, 38. This looks like the temperature reaches here is 38, 37, 37. and at the middle of the screen the temperature is 35, so on. The bottom side the temperature is 35 only, but whereas at the top side it should be like 37, 38 probably. And at the middle we have seen the temperature is 35 degrees centigrade and 34, or even at the downside also the temperature is 35 degrees centigrade. Let's check the temperature at the back side. Whereas at the back side the temperature is around 37, 38, 36 as usual what we see in the front side. Now at the middle side the temperature is 35, like that. At the bottom side also the temperature is like 34 degrees centigrade. So far so good. So I haven't faced any issue while I playing the PUBG right now. So I was keep going, continue the game on. Check the temperature one more time. Right now the room temperature is again 33 degrees centigrade. If you look the temperature at the top side of the screen, it should be like probably 37, 38, 38, 37, 39, 38, like that only. So it was normal. Sometimes it was going to reach 40, but anyhow it should be probably 38, 39. At the middle of the screen the temperature is very normal, it's 35 degrees centigrade. At the bottom side the temperature is again normal, 35 degrees centigrade. So let's look and check the temperature at the back side. Whereas at the back side the temperature is nearly 37 degrees centigrade, 37 as well, 35 at the middle, and the bottom is 35 degrees centigrade. So which was very nice. This Exynos should be like 37, 35, 37 like that, and it should be the middle is 35 again, and also at the bottom the temperature is again 35 degrees centigrade. Whereas at the back side if the temperature is around 36, 37 like that, and the bottom it should be 35, should like that. Once again the rooming temperature is 34 degrees centigrade, the room temperature. Now let's check the temperature of the display. The top side we have seen the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade, and at the bottom side we have seen the temperature is 35 degrees centigrade, and also at the very bottom side we have seen the temperature is 35 degrees centigrade. But overall at the earpod jack, at the top side the processor, where the processor is, I have seen the temperature is around 38, 39 like that. But here at the bottom side we have seen temperature is like 36, probably 36, 37. And whereas if you turn the back side and if you take the temperature at the top side, the temperature is around 37, 39 degrees centigrade, 39, and again here 37 degrees centigrade the temperature. Here is 36 degrees centigrade and 37. And also guys, there was 10 minutes left. For the last 10 minutes I was going to turn off the Bluetooth and I was going to bring the mic closer to the speaker so you guys also can enjoy. that's it in this video, guys. So anyhow, I have played continuously 2 hours from the Samsung Galaxy M21 Exynos 9611 processor. It means almost 1 minute left for 2 hours. So the first 1 hour I have played the PUBG, whereas the second 1 hour I played the ASPHALT 9. So you have seen the graphics. This is the best processor, and also haven't feel much heat when even if I hold the mobile in my hand. Let's check the temperature of the room. Right now the room temperature is 34 degrees centigrade, 35 showing like that. But anyhow, the room temperature on the screen is around 39, 38, 38 like that. And at the middle of the screen 37 as usual, and at the bottom we have seen the temperature is 37, 36, 37, 36 like that, 37. Whereas if you look the temperature on the backside body, it should be like 39, 38, and also should be like 37, 36, 36 probably like. So guys, I have back here. I hope you can see the results and you can understand how this phone was good in terms of thermal management and how the processor can handling the task like the PUBG and even the ASPHALT 9. So while playing these 2 hours, I haven't faced, as I told, I haven't faced any issues of heating condition, and also the battery consumes also very less. And also while I was playing the game, I never see any kind of lagging issue, and also the frames was also never drop anywhere. It was very smooth experience while playing the games on this Samsung M21. But I want to let you know one thing. It comes with a single speaker at the bottom side, but the speaker sound was seriously loud when I watching the movies or listening songs, or even if I pick up the phone call by using the speaker. The speaker was clear and also very loud. But I was surprised while I playing the PUBG on the ASPHALT 9 with output speaker, which was come at the bottom side, the audio was very low, especially the PUBG. If I playing the PUBG, I couldn't hear the footsteps, I couldn't properly hear the firing also. I don't know why it happened. I do many things to try to figure it out, but finally I don't know why it happened. But keep in mind, if you want to play the PUBG, I mean not only PUBG, if you want to play the games with output volume to the speaker, then it is not a good experience. While I play the games by connected to the wired headphones and also this Bluetooth wireless headphones was fantastic, and I can easily identify the footsteps of the enemy, where the enemy was coming direction. I can easily fire on that area. But anyhow, if you're playing the games in this M21 by using the output speaker, it was seriously a worst experience. Unless you played with the wired earphones or even the Bluetooth headphones, it was really a good job. Please keep that in your mind. I hope I have provided all the information about the gaming review of this M21. So finally guys, this mobile was not designed for gaming, but it was handling the gaming was the best, and the thermal management was very excellent. Battery department is also very good, and also no terms of frame stopping or lagging while I playing the game. And also I want to tell you one thing here. While I finished the game PUBG first hour, then when I was opening the ASPHALT 9, then I have not closed the PUBG application. I have put the PUBG application on the RAM. Even that the PUBG application, after playing 2 hours, I opened the PUBG. Again, the PUBG was running very smooth and clear. So which indicates the processor in this M21 and also the optimization was excellent in this M21, and it's one of the value for money guys. Its cost is around 12,699 rupees, whereas in my hand I have base variant 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. If you want, if you can go for higher version 6GB 128 storage. I hope I have provided all the information. If you have any specific questions about the Samsung Galaxy M21, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much guys, seriously, for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon, and also there was a link in the description. If it is possible, please join our Telegram link and follow me in the social media. Thank you so much for your love, support and commitment. See you very soon. We are family. Stay connected. Take care.